Hello and welcome to Cooking with Steve. Today we're going to make a pudding. It's an apple and brown bread baked pudding. The ingredients are apples, which we're going to peel, we're going to core and slice, we're going to coat in caster sugar and lay on the base of my dish. On top of that we're going to have buttered brown bread, which we're going to cut into triangles and lay nicely on the top. We're going to make an egg custard with the milk, the eggs, vanilla essence and the rest of the sugar. We're going to whisk that up and we're going to pour it on top and leave overnight if possible to soak nicely into the bread. Peeling the apples, basically you would peel them. I find a peeler a lot easier and a lot quicker as well. After you've taken all the skin and any bad bits off, you'll just cut the top off and the bottom, cut into quarters and remove the core. You can get apple corers where you keep the apples whole, but usually you would use that when cooking apples and doing a baked apple dish. Just finished off slicing my apples. I'm now going to put some of the white sugar, caster sugar in, probably about 25 grams. I'm going to mix up. I'm going to lay in the base of my dish. The brown bread, which I have actually buttered previously, I'm going to cut into triangles and lay nicely over the top of the apples. There isn't really a correct way to this, just do it how... For the egg custard, I'm going to put the eggs in my bowl and give them a good whisk. Add my vanilla essence, my caster sugar, and my whole milk, and give it a good mix up. Making sure that all the ingredients are combined well. And then I'm going to pour over the top of my bread and apple dessert. Making sure I cover all of the brown bread and leaving no edges or surfaces of the bread uncovered. Lovely. And I'm now going to put this in the fridge, covering it with cling film and leaving it in the fridge overnight. Got the pudding out of the fridge. I'm going to put some brown sugar on top. Just generously sprinkle it over the top of the pudding. And I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees. I'm going to place the pudding in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. I've got my melted butter and I'm just going to brush it on top of my pudding. I'm just going to sprinkle on some of the cinnamon. That's done. a bit of ice cream with it. So homemade brown bread and apple pudding served with some delicious ice cream.